Hey family, welcome back to Dwelling Stories, episode 40, y'all. It's done. It's over. We're done with that. We're done with it. It's over. It's over. I had so much fun making these dwelling stories, but guys, sorry if I got toothpaste. Lipstick on my teeth. I don't know why this camera is getting so dark. Let's go back over here to our, let's see. Okay, there we go. So guys, look at my jumper. You guys remember when I got this from thrift store somewhere, but I absolutely love it. It has this embroidery right here, like a cream color. Remember, this was 100% cotton. So what I did was I put, hold on, let me see. Wait a minute, I can't even show y'all. But anyway, I'll go over to another mirror and show y'all. But yeah, so in light of all that is going on, y'all, we got to get ourselves together. I'm just going to put that out there. It starts with us first. We can go out here and have riots. We can go out here and destroy stuff, but it's not going to matter. It's not going to do anything. We have to get us together, okay? It starts at home first. It starts at home with strong black families, strong white families, strong Latino families, strong Indian families. Come on, different cultures, it don't matter. They have strong families. They don't have men that leave. They don't struggle with, where's my daddy and all this stuff. Y'all have to take that stuff. Y'all have to take that stuff and think about it. Think about it. It goes deeper than what we're going through. In order for us to heal and to get better, we have to love ourselves. And y'all know what I mean by that. You have neighbors, they don't like you. What? For no reason. You got this, you got that. Somebody's worrying about your business. You got this, you got that. That is the wrong things, y'all. Those are the wrong things. We need to take everything back. And it's about respect. And until you have something for yourself, you're not going to get anything. And my thing too, if I ever seen anything happening, I'm not going to be videotaping it. I'm going to be asking all y'all together, let's come on in a group. And let's stand up and let's jump on this person. He can't shoot all of us. They can't kill all of us at one time. And that's another thing. Black man, y'all gonna get mad when I say this, but it's true. Stop getting in trouble. That way you can carry a firearm. It's a net in here, y'all. You can carry a firearm. If all of y'all got firearms and one or two police officers got a firearm, it's two against all of y'all. That man would be here if we would have all came together. Okay? And jumped on that man. He can't shoot everybody that have a firearm. Think about it. Somebody need to be the first person to start having some kind of felony class to get rid of felonies so our men can have guns, first of all. And I hate to say that. I mean, it shouldn't be all about the guns, but what are we going to do? Still pray, but what are you going to do? You going to make a change? Are you going to be the change that you want to see? Or are you going to sit back and destroy stuff and mess us up and make us look bad? Huh? That's what I'm talking about. Y'all, but look at the scan, y'all. The challenge. Oh my God. She's doing good. She's doing good. Y'all, I feel amazing. I feel awesome. But I'm getting ready to leave out of here in a minute. But I just want to show y'all some things around here that I've been doing. And I got y'all, I'm going to turn y'all around because I want y'all to see something. Look at this. Can y'all see this big old mirror? Also, this is the outfit of the day. Matter of fact, I'm going to throw my hat on, okay? Because I do have my hair, if y'all can see, in the little twisties or whatever. But it's really warm here, really nice, warm day today. So yeah, this is what she's wearing today. I got y'all, I'm rocking y'all everywhere. But outfit of the day, y'all. What she got to say? What do you got to say? Huh? Detox is what you got to say, okay? All right. But this music, y'all, when you see this mirror again, y'all gonna be like, oh my God, that is humongous, Sonya, for real. That is humongous. Look at this. So, y'all already know. I got this mirror. So y'all already know what I had to do. I had to get rid of some mirrors. So what I did was the mirror that was over here, I'll show you real quick where it's at. I put her right here in the hallway, and I got rid of, no, I didn't get rid. I put her in the hallway, and I put the circle one that was in the, remember this one was inside of the living room. I put that one in here in the office, so everything's still the same in here. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all, I've been using my calendar. So yeah, I put her in here. She looks amazing in here. She looks amazing. So the mirror that was, y'all, she glowing too from that detox. She is give it to her. She glowing. So yeah, I got rid of those little small candle things here. I just took that stuff to the church, y'all. But I did sell the Starburst mirror that was in the office where this one was at. I sold that one for $20. Yes, I'm giving y'all prices. And these are the things that I'm selling. This mirror, somebody told me if they want this, I'm selling that and that one, guys, because guess what? I'm trying to take as least as possible. Is it like an echo? Oh, I'm trying to take as least as possible out of here. Okay, I really am. So, yeah, what else? Oh, let me get this tag out of here. I'm getting ready to go too. So if I can bring y'all along in the car, I'm probably gonna do that too, because I told somebody I'd be there to get them shortly, and I want to get it done. Guys, look at this. Look how freaking amazing. Look at this. Look how crazy and amazing. Blessing, y'all. Blessing how she's doing. And look at this one. They just doing their thing. They just going crazy up in here. Look at that. New leaves all over. Yes, guys. So, let me see what else is going on. So, yeah, guys, I just can't get over my glow. I can't get over the glow. Yeah. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. So, I did get to go to Ollie's. Y'all, there's nothing on the table. I don't want nothing on that table. I just don't. But I did get a chance to go to Ollie's, and I'm going to show y'all what I found really quick. Okay? Let me see if I can put y'all. I'm looking inside that other mirror. I'm trying to see where I can put y'all to show y'all real quick what I found. So, y'all, the vases that were right here, I got those. Let me show you. I got those up here. I'm spray painting those like a muted gray color, like something like in there. You'll figure it out. You'll understand as time goes on why she's doing all that. But yeah, I took those from over here and just kept the plants. So I went to Ollie's maybe, I want to say a couple of days ago, and I went back, and guys, they still had the method, but they didn't have the kind that I got everybody else, but that was okay. This one is, what is this one? This one is Method Minted Limited Edition. Oh, Wild Wood. That's this one, if y'all can see. That's what that one looks like, and it was $1.99. No coupon, y'all. Then look what else now I went in there for that, and I went in there for spray paint, because I remember last time I was in there, they had gray spray paint, but I didn't get it. But anyway, guys, I end up finding this beauty. Look how pretty. It's like this is like the color I'm going to spray paint those vases, that muted gray. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, drainage hole, bonus, and it was originally $4.99, but guess what I paid for it? $2.99. Y'all want to know why? Because it has a dent, like right here, and the dent kind of like goes through to like right there. So yeah, that is what I found from Aldi's, and I spent $5.38, guys, and I went back to the one where nobody's hardly at and people respect you, and I'm just saying. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna see you all when I get in the car. Y'all, I am really loving this jumpsuit for the first time. Hey, yes, she's long, she's kind of long, but she'll work. But guys, I hope you're still doing your detox. I got 2 more days to go, so by the time you see this dwelling story number 40 video, it's gonna be over. It's gonna be over till the next episode. So guys, I will see you in the next video, okay? Or I don't know, maybe I'll bring you guys along in the car or something for a little chit chat. But I think this is like chit chat enough. What do you think? So I'll see you guys. All right now. I forgot to show y'all. The coffee table is gone too. Can y'all see? Hold on. Wait a minute. I don't know if y'all, do I turn it around this way? This way. Coffee table, it has been sewed. So what I did was I bought this tray in here, which I love, that really actually holds a piece of stone. And this is from Pampered Chef. I ordered this from my sister's best friend years ago. So that's what I put in here for my little tray. And yeah, coffee table is gone. And I don't know if I'm going to get another one. Y'all see that big mirror back there? Look at that. Look how pretty she is. Look how pretty she is. And the room just looks so much better to me. So, guys, I'll see you guys. Ooh, we got real dark. Okay. Come on now. Come through. Come through. Okay. I'll see you guys in the car. Bye. Since that day, I decided to come home and make a change. Still you drift away now and then. Guess you feel some type of way about it. You're the one that I want. No, I can never leave you alone. Okay, but I was in here jamming. Okay, like seriously, old school. Y'all know nothing about that, but she was getting her groove on. Yeah, in the car, getting your groove on. So, guys, like I said, it is a beautiful day. Very sunny, very bluish skies, kind of. A little overcast, because I think it's supposed to rain. And then, I don't know, I'm trying to think, what is the temperature? It might be like 83, but it feels really, really good. So, guys, I'm getting ready to get off the freeway, and I will talk to you guys very shortly. My rolling partner right now. But I was going 70 miles per hour, the speed limit is 60. Like somebody got from behind me. How fast do you want me to go? I'm not about to do that. I'm just not about to speed. I had my girl, one of my best friends back in the day. Her daughter. Roll them all up. Okay. Her daughter. I remember she used to drive like literally, you guys. The speed limit is 25. She drove 25. She didn't care who was in her car. If you was gonna be doing all that stuff in her car, she made you get out. She really made you get out the car. Like she didn't care about that. But we're gonna go to me and my daughter. You see, my daughter.
That's what you get for staring at people.
What? Who?
I was staring at that dude, and he was like,
"Oh, okay." But we're going to go to Walmart in a different area because we don't want to go where people are rude. I was just letting them know how some of these Walmarts, they don't be wearing their masks. They just be all up on you.
Well, we ain't worried about no masks. That's pointless. Some of y'all wearing them, some of y'all ain't. So
I'm wearing my mask, y'all. I got a mask.
We trying to go to areas where they not rioted in. That's the thing.
True. I don't have anything to get. Oh, I'm going to get the spray paint, y'all, so I can spray paint the vases. So in the video, those vases, I'm going to put the... I'm going to film that and I'm going to put it, well, I'm just going to spray them, put them in the video so you guys can see how they turned out. And, yeah, guys, y'all know what, it's so much I be wanting to say stuff. You got to move in silence. Y'all have to remember that. Move in silence so you can be blessed. So everything that's good that's going to happen for you, it's going to come. Because guess what? Let him get all the glory for all the blessings that he store upon you, okay? I just want to say that. So, yeah, you have anything to say?
I look funny because I had just woke up from a little nap.
She was napping. So, yeah, we're on the freeway.
I brought my hair back out, y'all. Sorry to cut you off.
And, yeah. Oh, there's a big boat in front of me, guys. Somebody has a boat. I know what I need to do. I need to get that bike rack thing. I need to see if they have one just to see how much they run.
This one you can get without the hitch.
For real? Yeah. No, this one I'm talking about is just you hook up to the back of the truck.
That's the dude I was staring at.
Oh, I haven't seen him when he turned around. I seen him.
Oh, they got their RV. I mean, they trailer home.
Oh, look at that, man. Oh my gosh. Y'all just don't know. Oh.
What are y'all activities and plans for this summer? What's something new that y'all are excited to do or going to do? I want to know. I want to go kayaking with my mom. I want to see her go crazy.
I ain't gonna go crazy. I'm just...
She gonna be like, oh, oh, oh! That's gonna be you. I'm gonna get irritated because I know she gonna be in my ear.
Alright, y'all. So we'll see you at, I don't know. We'll see you at Walmart. We might see you at Walmart or we'll see you later.
At Target, maybe.
I ain't going to Target, no. I don't want, no.
We bougie. We go to Target.
I'm not,
Target.
I'm not bougie, y'all. I'm regular. I'm simple.
We're going to Target.
No, there's too many people. No. I just want to run. I know exactly what I need to get out of Walmart. And I want to run in there. Y'all, this is what I feel like doing. I feel like literally running in the store, grabbing everything that I need. And after I pay for it, just run back out. because I just don't want. I just don't.
They're gonna think she's stealing or doing something crazy.
No, I'm gonna have my receipt. I'm gonna be like this with the receipt. Run it at the door.
No.
I just feel comfortable that way. But anyway, I'm gonna end this little discussion or little.
Yo, I don't even know where we are. I forgot the direction.
Girl, you we better not just be driving nowhere. Like seriously, y'all. Okay, that's gonna end it. I'll see y'all in a minute because I don't just be doing that. So guys, here are the tags that I got from Dollar Tree because Walmart wasn't open. So these are the items that I found, and I found these paints, and they only had 2 of them, guys. And if you can tell, it is not white because this is white. It's like an antique white like the walls. So yeah, this is what I found there.